in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the remote desktop feature on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select the advanced option. And then underneath virtual workspace where it says remote desktop, go ahead and select that. So if you want to enable remote desktop on your Lenovo device, toggle remote desktop on the top to the on position, confirm, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.